welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lotus, and today we're going to be rating some of my slimes. So I have a lot of slimes, so this is going to be really fun. And I'm super excited to see how this goes. So, yep, please like and subscribe when you get the chance. Let's get to the first slime. So, as you can see, I have a bunch of slimes that I want to show to you guys, so yeah. So let's start out with this. Other than the choice of the name and the container, I think the packaging is pretty cool. So this was actually kind of easy to open, so I opened it. Don't mind how glitchy it looks. So let's take this out. Oh my gosh, I need some activator. I should have had this beforehand, but here it is now. Just add a bit in there. There we go. Okay, so I mixed it in for a bit, and it made it just a bit better. Notice how I said a bit better. I had to add a lot. I think I actually put some lavender in this one, so it kind of like messed it up. Okay, so anyways, it was really nice. And I'd give it like a 7 out of 10, maybe even an 8 out of 10. So yes, I love this slime very much. And the color's really nice. And it smells like cold medicine as well, which was a big plus, except it was hard to get in the container. Next one. This one reminds me of Aquarius. It's called Waterworld. So yeah, this looks really sweet. So here's the inside. So, yeah, so I'm just going to take this out. It was really hard to get out, by the way. It got stuck in there, and the container was, like, all weird. It was not easy to get out, but the container was really easy to stick my hand into. So that's a big plus, definitely. So, okay, I think I got enough. So it has a lot of foam beads, as you can see, and that can sometimes be a problem, as you can see. Okay, so I cleaned up those a bit, and I really like it. It's a very crunchy, nice, like slime. That's me trying to make a water impression. So it was very fun to stretch, and it was easy to stretch, which is also a big plus. And the bubble pops were out of this world. So I'm just gonna put this back in. Definitely another 8 out of 8 out of 10. Yeah. This one's interesting. Oh, get that out of the way. Coal. I decided to name this one Coal. Well, I think it describes it very well, and here it is. It's very thick and glossy, I'd say. And I think I used paint to dye this. So, yeah. Here I am squishing it. It's really nice. Oh my god. Oh, well, this one's nice. Other than the paint, it's a 7 out of 10. Oh, time for this one. This one kind of surprised me. It was a lot better than I thought, but it's sticky. I took it out, and here I am playing with it. Let's add some activator. So, after adding activator, it finally came together, and it's looking good as new. This one's really great, I have to admit. Let's stretch it. So nice. I love this one very much. I think this deserves subtle 7.5 out of 10. I tried to get the paint off with it, but that didn't help. So yes, 7.5. Okay. Weird sky thing. What an interesting name. I actually had a slime app, and this was the first slime that I made on it, and this is what I named it. There was a giant air bubble in it, so that was fun to pop. Here it is. It also has foam beads, and I can see why I named it Weird Sky Thing. It's a sky, but it's not weird. And it's a thing. I don't get the weird sky thing part. I like it, though. And it was fun to stretch, and the bubble pops were also out of this world, and long story short, weird sky thing. 9 out of 10. Oh, next one. This one was so much fun. It's a drizzly slime. It's actually thick and glossy, but I'm saying it's a drizzly slime, whatever the heck that is. Here I am eating it. It's very sticky. I don't want to add activator to this one because I think the texture is what makes it a unique slime. Look at that. Wow. And, So, I think I like this one. And it was fun to poke and swirl. So this, I might give a 9 out of 10. Great 9 out of 10. And next one, I love this one. Midnight Crunch. This one's super satisfying to play with. And, yeah. Need I say no more. And the beads in it don't fall out as much as the other ones. And it made a lot of bubble pops. So this one's going to be a 10 out of 10. This one's called, you guessed it, guacamole. It has a weird texture. And spoiler alert, I used paper to make this. Yep, I put paper in it and I kneaded it and I turned it into a slime. Oop, extra fishbowl bead. It's super easy to stretch. The more I knead it, the better it gets. And it feels like I'm actually playing with guacamole. And yeah, except for the thought that it made me want to puke all my guts out, I love it. And it's very nice bounce or whatever. And yeah, it's fun to poke. So I'm going to give this one a 7 out of 10. Look at how happy this container is. Other than the cap, it holds a deep, dark secret. I'm just kidding. Well, here it is. It's a very pink slime. And the bubble pops are nice. It's like a normal slime that you'd see every day. And watch this. Boing. And this is super satisfying, too. Bubble pops. So I'm going to give this one like a 7 out of 10. Best I can do. This one. If you like sparkles, this is for you. I added way too much glitter. If you don't believe me, take a look. Okay. Enough of that. Look at the nice drizzles. Enjoy the nice drizzles. It kind of reminds me of a disco ball. Disco ball. Oh, okay. So yeah, I love this one. It's fun to poke. And I wanted to smash it, but I missed. So that one's a 9 out of 10. Oh, we're already on the next one. Oh, speaking of disco balls. I love this one. So yeah, it's nice and it's bouncy and I love it. 10 out of 10. Next, this one's like a creamy one. It's pink and it's like strawberry-ish. It's a creamy, puffy slime. And it was really fun to stretch. It was kind of sticky to the touch, but the more I kneaded it, the better it got. So I'm going to give this one a... Ooh, look at that. Oh, nice. I'm going to give this one like a 6 out of 10. And that was the last one for today. Thank you all for watching. Now let's give all the slimes in this video a shout out. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you love this video. Subscribe for more.